Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be unboxing another SCRYE magazine. This is issue 8.5 from July-August 2001, and it's the issue before the Harry Potter one that I've just unboxed on my channel. So it'll be interesting to see what's in this one. It is a sealed one. Not all of them are that I review now because the sealed ones are quite rare. We'll open it up and we'll have a look inside. So what do we get? We get a official checklist to Mage Night. If you remember in my Harry Potter issue, we got a trading card from Mage Night, which is basically just a big checklist poster. What's this? It looks like a store advert. Get rid of those. And we get the actual magazine. So I've never seen inside this one. I never had this issue when I was younger. So magic, that never goes away. Sack Armies collectible battle game. I've never heard of that. And then we get the contents here, a Dragon Ball Z advert. Then we get an introduction. Must be an advert, more adverts. And then we get the news page. This is always the interesting one. So just see if anything pops out at me here. ZG figures delayed. If you remember in my Harry Potter issue, that had a free ZG card in it. Decipher news, Borg follows Voyager. Next announced expansion for Star Trek CCG is the Borg. So that came out after Voyager. I think that's the correct release schedule. I don't remember it changing. Yeah, I don't think there's much else on that page. Yeah, and then we've got the top selling card games. Star Wars at number 5 and Star Trek at number 9. I think they go up a little bit in the next issue. What's this? Tournament news. More adverts. And we get some games in development. So the wrestling game, Raw Deal, Dragon Ball Z, ZG, that never really took off, I don't think. Imagination. Then we get comic, Bionicle advert, and Raw Deal advert. Contest winners, this looks like some dream cards. And then we get a comic, again, don't need that. Don't know what that is. A Mage Night Player's Guide. Magic. Apocalypse, this must be a Magic set. Player's Guide. More Magic. See, it's going. It started off as a Magic magazine, and now it's going back into a Magic magazine. There's so much Magic, which is something I never really. I did try and get into Magic, but it just didn't materialise. We get a advert for the SCRYE book. I think I've mentioned that before on one of my videos. And we get into some decks, I think. There's Sailor Moon up here. Yeah, so we get some deck ideas. So we get some Star Wars ones here. Young Jedi, that's still hanging on at this point. Deck Construction 101 for Star Trek CCG. So it's just telling you how to make the best deck, which is useful. Cypher announced last year plans for an online version of its Star Trek CCG. I don't really remember that ever happening. And more Star Trek. Dragon Ball Z. And of course Pokemon. Pokemon was very big at this point. I'm going to get the player's guides. So you skip over Magic. See what else is in here. So we've got Pokemon. Lots of Pokemon. Pokemon just churned out expansions very quickly, I remember. Star Wars. Star Trek. There's the Young Jedi as well. Babylon 5. That was coming to the end. Dragon Ball Z, Jedi Knights. There's the 5 rings. Bit of Sailor Moon here. Tournaments and stores. And then sort of the roundup, and then this advert for the Survivor card game. This was a show back in the early 2000s. I'm not really aware of it, I never watched it. More of an American thing probably. And then there's an advert there. So yeah, not a very exciting issue of SCRYE. No huge announcements or anything, just lots of magic. But even so, nice to have and to look back on what was happening in 2001. So thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe to my channel to see my future videos, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.